Hi guys, and welcome to AuntDi's Craft Room. I apologize right off the get-go for the meltdown that's happening in the background. My grandson wants in the craft room so badly. So today I just thought that I'd catch up with you guys and just let you know what's been going on. Things have been slow or quiet on the channel. I know that, and I apologize. I've been working on a few things for around the house, getting things ready for my family's Christmas, including this table runner, which I bought just the basic table runner from Dollarama, and using Cricut vinyl of all different kinds, of course heat transferred vinyl. I cut out the images and adhered them with my Easy Press, and it's a beautiful piece to our kitchen table. Something else I've done recently is a new tree skirt. I still want to put lace around it, but for now it turned out really good. It was one of those fuzzy ones that you can buy, and the vinyl stuck to it without any problems. So I was quite happy with it. It's quite amazing what you can do with Design Space. The images that you have access to when you do have a Cricut Access membership is astronomical, and it makes it so you can make these amazing projects in moments, just minutes. So yeah, if you're wondering if it's worth having an Access membership, it is. You'll find my link in the comments below. Because if not, you can spend hours getting an image off the internet, cleaning it up, breaking it up into layers, getting it into Design Space. It can take a lot of time. So Access has got your back. Since I mentioned vinyl when I showed the projects that I've been working on, I actually want to do a shout out to a relatively new Ontario, Canada vinyl company. I don't know if you can see the bag, the Vinyl Menagerie. This place is owned and ran by two wonderful women who just both happen to be Mel's and Melanie, and they've been longtime friends. Their families commingle, I guess, doing many activities, and one of them was to purchase their local vinyl shop when they found out it was going to be going out of business. So they sent me a few items to give a try on, and that is what I used for making this little quick heart or star-shaped onesie. This glitter or metallic silver HTV is beautiful, and it feels like it's one with the fabric. Also, behind me here is my chicken. Well, I just had to. I loved that vinyl so much that they sent me. I had to do something with it. And they also had sent me a weeding kit. And you know, normally I don't like using tweezers when I weed. Excuse my back, I'm just seeing if I have it behind me. Which, of course, oh, there is a piece of it. And I don't have the tweezers. But normally I don't like using tweezers with weeding because I don't find they give a good enough grip. But these ones really do, and I like them. They have a bit more of a point to them. Also, their weeding pick, different compared to what I'm used to, because I'm used to a pick with a actual curve to the end. But you know what? It's so lightweight. When you're spending hours and hours weeding, it's actually very comfortable to use. Very comfortable. So yeah, next time you guys are in need of ordering some new vinyl, I highly recommend ordering from the girls at the Vinyl Menagerie. Sorry. I highly recommend going ahead and placing an order with the girls over at the Vinyl Menagerie. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. It's great quality, and the girls are so nice. Anyways, for now, guys, take care. I have a couple of projects I want to work on, and the videos will be, I promise, shortly to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like all my videos, hop on over to Facebook and check out one of my Facebook groups, either Cricut Create Canada, which is for just Canadians, or Cricut with AuntDi. Everyone's welcome to that one. So take care for now, guys, and happy crafting. Bye!